Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Code Secrets. This is part 3 of my videos on practicing input-output statements in C++. In this part we will perform two programs. Task number 5 is to write a program that takes age in years and displays age in months and days. Task number 6 is to write a program that takes input from user and displays square and cube of that number. We will perform this task using two methods, without using the power function and using the built-in power function which comes under the header file math.age. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.